To live life on your terms with comfort and any degree of freedom, you really have to be making money and living off the grid. Hi, thank you for stopping by. I'm Peter Beddoes, aka Peter Off the Grid, and for most of my extensive career on both sides of the pond, I've been helping to grow new business ideas and turn hopeful entrepreneurs into successful business owners. Now, perhaps your idea of living off the grid includes the thought that you can do that without money and save money. Well, if living like a caveman is your thing, then yes, you probably could do that, if you at least have commitment, determination, and courage. But if you don't make any money in living off the grid, in the end, you won't enjoy any lasting comfort. And if you don't live off the grid, you are never really getting to freedom. You need both to be in control of those things you depend on for a healthy, happy life. I guess you probably know that already, don't you? But do you have a clear picture of why that is so? Do you know what you can do about it? I just wrote a blog post entitled "Make Money and Live Life on Your Terms Off the Grid" to explore this in detail. Just click this link to read that post and then scroll down to give me your thoughts in the comments section to share your feedback. Let me know if any of this has any meaning for you, and if it is helpful or if it's missing anything. Your feedback is very important, and I do read all the comments. Thank you for your time and attention here. Now, let's get busy with making money so that you can live your life on your terms. Isn't that why you're here? Isn't that what you came to here to do? Well, so what are you waiting for? Let's get busy.